Welcome to this course, which covers Microsoft Excel at an advanced level. The first module looks at how to summarize data and make it easier to explain by using grouping and outlining and inserting subtotals into large data sets. People you share your data with will thank you for making it easier for them to understand what your data is showing. The second section covers tools designed to help with forecasting and predictions using current data. Anybody looking to use Excel to help plan for the future will consider this an indispensable tool. Modules 3 and 4 are both concerned with pivot tables. First, you need to learn how to create pivot tables, and then how to create charts out of the data in your pivot tables. These help to summarize and analyze the links in large data sets, and if you're trying to make sense between the relationships between data items, they are the most valuable tool you can find. You'll want to know how to set up sharing and linking data between people and also linking to different locations. So after pivot tables, we show you how to do this. Module 6 covers lookups, both V and H lookups. This will help you add functionality to your spreadsheet so that you'll be able to access and highlight data quickly and easily. And finally, the last section is an introduction to using macros, which automate tasks and can save you huge amounts of time. Now that you know what you're going to cover, let's begin.